What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Crypto Firm. This is an emergency late night video for you guys. I thought that maybe if I can get across some of you guys, just to give you a little bit of security, give you a little bit of peace of mind. So, as you can tell, if you're into cryptocurrency and you're aware of the markets, they're dumping right now, right? So, Bitcoin, let's see. And I said this morning. It's dumping. But that doesn't mean it's a bad thing, guys. And I'm gonna be bold in this video for once, because I always try to like cut it a little bit on the safe side, which I still am doing. But this is going to be one of your last opportunities to enter the market this bull run, because we are entering the last stage of this bull market. I don't think we have enough. Uh, we don't have a lot of time left. Maybe a couple weeks, maybe a couple months. Tops, I can't tell you that. But if I were to guess, 90% March. That extra 10% could go to April or May, which I don't think it would, but it could, because this is crypto. We've never seen more than a couple halvings, so you never know. And but still, I'm sure that it has to end. Pretty sure. That's why I'm being bold, a little bit more bold in this video. Pretty sure it has to end sooner than later. So December, January would be my best bet. Then February, March, and then May. So uh, the sooner the better. My prediction. Let me just open my Chrome browser because I have this website I want to show you guys. It's a rainbow chart. If you guys are familiar with the rainbow chart, I'm going to show it to you right now. It's pretty interesting. This is a model developed by what's his name? Plan B. He's an anonymous crypto influencer. He created the logarithmic chart. He created the logarithmic chart by having this rainbow chart, right? So this is a logarithmic chart. It isn't a regular chart where you have a linear chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. You get where I'm going, right? So this is a logarithmic chart. So what we basically have here is a chart with the halvings of Bitcoin throughout its history, right? When the next ones are coming and how this affects the price of Bitcoin in this logarithmic chart. So by having this, we know that when we have a halving, if you're familiar with Bitcoin basics, I'll go over that in another video, but for now, I'm assuming that you know what the halving is, and that's going to affect the supply and demand to Bitcoin. So that'll make the price increase because of its scarcity becoming ever more apparent. And then having a correction still accumulating in price over time, even though it corrects itself. So every halving will create this effect on Bitcoin's price, right? And during two halvings, we have this cycle, and that's Bitcoin cycle. So when we have this halving, a cycle top, a cycle bottom, we'll see these different levels of what the Bitcoin rainbow price chart suggests to do with the Bitcoin currency if you are trading. I recommend that you only use this for buying purchases, maybe selling a little bit for profits, but not moving your whole positions of Bitcoin because of this chart, right? Because it's still young, we don't have that much data, and so this is giving us indications of what to, it suggests what to do with Bitcoin, right? So when we're low in the blues of the rainbow, we're basically on a fire sale. Or it'll suggest for you to buy and accumulate. And then as it progresses upwards on the rainbow, it'll actually tell you that you're going up onto a bubble, which is a temporary bubble. Most people think that cryptocurrency is a bubble and a little burst and never um, get back to where it was, but it actually is always increasing in size. It just bursts, but is always at a better position than when it was before, right? Before that last cycle. So then we have these maximum bubble territories where all these whales and people who are profiting a lot because they know how to use this chart, they're selling because they know the market's going to continue to drop after that top. And then that's where they're going to re-enter the market with their profits and keep doing this over and over again throughout Bitcoin's maturity. Because as time progresses, these cycles have been lengthening and these peaks have proven to diminish in size. So this might be the case where we have this cycle, 2013 cycle, moving out of that territory and then having this territory as well where we got into maximum bubble territory. But now what's happening is that we're barely touching the FOMO intensifies, right? So people are actually expecting prices to be above $100,000 because it seems to make sense that it has happened in the past two cycles. This is an 8-year cycle if you're counting the two. So even if the markets seem like they're going down, if we actually pay attention to this and we think we're shilling Samo because I think this is one of the best projects, not because of fundamentals, just because of human psychology. So with that little preview, we have the markets dumping right now, right? So we have these $47,000 Bitcoin after we reach the 68, 69 almost $1,000 Bitcoin in this short time frame. But if we zoom out, we are still above. This is a year-to-date chart. So this was a beginning of 2021 bull market, followed by a short bear market, which if you completely zoom out, know that it is not a bear market. It's just a huge correction, right? So compared to other years, this year looks like it's a little bit more flat on the top side. And a lot of people think that we're doomed, we're going down. But what I actually predict, hopefully I will be right when time has proven myself, that this is going to be the last step that we're gonna see after we pump all the way up to all-time highs and continue rallying in a very short time frame. That's my prediction. I don't know if I'm gonna be right. It just feels right. I don't believe that the markets are gonna continue dipping. We're just having a little bit of FOMO happening because of the Omicron new variant, and I don't know if I can say it because maybe YouTube will block me. But you know what I'm talking about. Or because of the jobs report that are extremely under target. It's just temporary FOMO. Things are gonna completely flip. Somebody's gonna come out, Walmart or Facebook or Apple or somebody soon. And when that news pops, all of this will be forgotten. So just keep a lookout. I'm not saying that I'm 100% sure. It's obviously just a prediction, but if we continue to look at the markets throughout these next weeks and we see that we're correcting, then I think we might be heading to that direction. Obviously, I think that if we go down more than this $30,000 level, that would be bad for the temporary price of Bitcoin. But for your sake, if you're investing in cryptocurrency, this would be the best time because it would be very, very unlikely for that to happen. I don't think we'll ever see a Bitcoin under 30K. I'm saying that on camera. It could have a little wick under 30K, but nothing long term. A couple days or so. But anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Just wanted to make that that emergency video for you guys, just in case you're up late and thinking about what's happening with the markets. If you like this content, feel free to give it a like, subscribe, and share it to your friends if you think that it will help them in their crypto journey. That's it for today. I'm the Crypto Fur, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.